Hello, brothers, sisters, how y'all doing with this? Your boy Kofi Ben Sindaco, and I'm back again with another interesting video. Man, you love this. Yeah, so I'm in Sunyani Zongo, yeah, and I saw this group of people making peanut butter or peanut paste. In Ghana, there's two popular ways we use peanut butter or peanut paste. One is we use it as a margarine inside bread, yeah? And secondly, we use this peanut butter or peanut paste to make our top delicacy soup, one of the delicious soups we have in Ghana. So anytime you visit Ghana, tell them that you want to try peanut butter soup, Ghana version and Ghana made. Man, you go crazy about it. It was really amazing to see how the production is done, from frying to pounding to peel off the skin. Man, you really enjoyed this video. So if today's your first time watching, kindly subscribe, turn notification bell so be notified when a new video drops. Follow us on Facebook, TikTok, tell a friend, tell a brother. Let's do this. Record one.
Yellow, 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 yellow. Yellow sister, waiting the cost you.
To do peanut butter or peanut paste, you need fried peanuts. And since frying and pounding the peanut is hectic, they've recruited boys or workers that will be doing this work.
I'm telling you, money go quench you. Yellow CC there for corner.
So to start everything, you first pour the raw peanut inside the tank. This is a special tank made for this frying, and I think I've seen other production, not the peanut, that they also use this kind of tank for their frying. Okay, so half bag or half sack of peanuts inside the tank, about 25 kilos inside the tank, and one person will be rolling this tank for an hour or more before everything gets ready. You can't leave it on road, if not peanut will get bent. So to verify or to confirm that the peanut is okay, you need to open the top of the tank and take some of the peanuts to verify if it's okay. When everything is done, someone will help you discharge the tank from on top of this fire, because this is a heavy tank and it's also hot, so you need to be very careful. So this takes 1 hour before it gets ready. You see how he's rolling the rotator. I don't know if it's rotator or what do you call it, yeah, but he rotating it, and yeah, because if you leave it, it will get bent. So you need to rotate until everything is okay inside. Wow, beside the fire, and it's crazy. This boss man here is really relaxing, yeah. So you see how the mechanics works. Yeah. So this is ready, and this is how they open it. So it's ready. Wow. Interesting. I mean, and what did I say? Wow, I'm really scared for them, because what I'm here fast, you are not actually. So, wow. Hey, you can't follow me there. Tell me something there. 3rd degree. Mamma mia. This is not, so they will now come and spread this. Hey, people are really suffering somewhere. Like the temperature, the heat and everything they go through before they get us some kind of food to eat. It's not easy. Wow. Over there too, it's like the one ready for the machine. So they're going to grind it. Yeah, so we have this our mom over here spreading it so the air can circulate and to make it cool. And once the peanuts are cooled, that's where the pounding begins. Sometimes they can even rebag the peanut, the fried peanut inside the sack. Then they will be pounding them gradually or into pieces. So the pounding is basically to peel the skin from the peanut, and it's even not done 100%. And not all the peanuts have the skin being removed. Some do have the skin attached to it. And also what they told me that some people also love to blend or to grind their peanut with the skin, because they believe that grinding the peanut together with the skin is healthy, because it contains some fiber properties and other beneficial properties.
Yellow CC day for corner. Put it out for job.
Okay. It's after Hase, no. We only say we are now. Okay.
So when the pounding is done, they will rebag it again, seal it, then they will transport to the grinding mill. That's where the grinding will take place, and after grinding, they store it in large quantities and they will export them to the market for consumption. They have other market ladies that also come to just buy the peanuts without grinding. Okay, that's when you go to the market, you see that they sell only peanuts.
So we have sample here, see? So after pounding the granules, they go and grind it.
Come on.
Yeah, so go and grind it. See how thick? It didn't stick inside the spoon. You see? Look. It didn't stick. It's not sticking, man. This is real. This is real correct 100% peanuts. Wow. Move for me, Move for me, Run, sir. Yeah. So yeah, here in Ghana, you can eat bread with peanuts, yeah? Peanut paste like that. You open your bread institute to do, then you use it inside. So mommy is a chief pounder, yeah. But how many years why are they wait?
Listen, me I call for 20.
Almost 20 years that she has been doing this. But a wild business. A wild business, okay. So for the 20 years that she has been doing this, and that she has been frying this thing, what do you call it? The granules and pounding. But now she has workers that they help her to do it. Like interesting business. Yeah, so this is the wood that they use for the frying of.
She said, give me contact, I go pay you tomorrow. Sell, give me half.
Yeah, so basically this is how peanut butter is done, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. If this is your first time watching, remember to subscribe, notification bell, so be notified when a new video drops. So I have a campaign going on, Support My Traveling, where I'll be going back to Africa to do this kind of videos, and I'll be needing your support through donations. Okay, so I've created some links that you can support or donate over there. So there's PayPal, there's GoFundMe, and there's Momo Transfer or Money Transfer. So in the description box you can find these links, and the one that is convenient to you, click on it and make your support and donate to Support My Traveling, so that I can bring you more stuff and also to enlighten other food from Africa countries. So let's do this again. Uko with Sindaco. Tell a friend, tell a brother, let's do this again. For Shazam Manezo or Okodo, I'm out. One.
I want to forget my problems. I want to forget my sorrow. Waiting, I go do. I go pay you tomorrow.